Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Singer 306K sewing machine. Okay, in my previous videos I've been able to review the Singer 306M sewing machine, but today I'll be reviewing the 306K series. Okay, I'll quickly run through the features and I'll do some stitches with the machine. Now this is the double thread stand where you use for your twin needle. Over here you have the lever that controls the straight stitch and the zigzag. Okay, once this indicator here is pointing on this 0 sign, okay, you're sewing the regular straight stitch, and once you turn this lever down to 5 or any of the number, you're actually sewing the zigzag or any of the designs you have here. It uses this cam, and I've been able to get my hand on some couple of them, which I'll be trying out in the video. And also this here controls the stitch length regulator, which when you pass beyond the 0 mark here, you're going for the back stitching. Okay, tension of course, and right here you have the what raises up the footer and all that. Okay, it uses the industrial shuttle and bobbin mechanism, and it's a front oscillatory machine, meaning that you thread from front to back. Okay, it's actually the machine comes with the electric motor at the back, and there you have the pedal. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using the manual treadle, okay, or the manual leg for the machine. Okay, and also some of my subscribers, they actually asked about me threading the bobbin and how to wind the bobbin. I'll be doing that in the video, and also I will be sewing directly with some of this cam that I have here. Okay, I'll quickly thread and show you how to wind the bobbin, and when I finish doing that, I will start stitching with the machine. Alright guys, so in winding the bobbin, it's quite easy. From here, which is a thread stand, goes over here, then it comes through this place. Now this tends to tighten the thread, so you can have a very strong and a very tight thread here inside the bobbin itself. Okay, so you just bring this down and okay, so you can adjust as much as you want. So I'm just guiding this so the thread won't jump off. So I've been able to get as much as I want. You just raise it up and bring it out. So I'll quickly thread the machine and do some stitches with the machine. Alright. Okay guys, I already threaded the machine. In threading the machine is quite easy. From the thread stand here, you go down through this looper here, then go through the tension. And remember, whenever you want to thread through the tension, make sure you raise the footer up, because that's what frees the tension here. Okay, the moment you bring it down, it actually compresses. There's a spring system here, compresses the tension plates. Okay, from here it goes down to this thread carrier, goes down through this section, then down here, then you thread from front to back. Like I told you, it's a front oscillatory mechanism that the machine uses. Alright, these are some of the design I was able to do. Okay, I actually used the disc cam to achieve this one here, and also I was able to do the buttonhole, and this here is just a zigzag, and I had to tighten it and all that. Okay, I was just obviously playing with some of the stitches. I was able to do this design. Okay, you can actually use any of the design, any of the disc cam to achieve any of the anything you want to do in your stitching on your fabric. Okay, quickly I would sew the regular straight stitch. In restoring your regular straight stitch, this has to be on 0, and like I said, this is needle position. It has to be on the middle, or you can actually use left or right depending on what you want to use. Now the stitch length, I'm using the high stitch length, and since I'm using my treadle, of course this is my what I use and control my treadle, so I'll just sew quickly. Alright, there you have it. That's the regular straight stitch, that's the back, and there you have the front. So I'll sew through that again. Let me just reduce the stitch length here a bit. Okay, so straight stitch, alright, there you have it. That's a much reduced stitch length. Now if you want to sew the zigzag, I already have my zigzag disc in place here. Okay, so you just turn this, like I said earlier, you just turn this down to 5 and raise it up. Let me use 25 here. So when I sew my zigzag, okay, you can further reduce. See, that's the back, perfect seam, that's the front. Okay, you can actually reduce the stitch length of the zigzag to get a much closer stitch. So let me use this here. Okay, so here you see, guys, that is a much tighter and a closer zigzag. All right, so I'll be changing the disc cam now so I can sew any of the pattern that I have. All right, okay, like I told you earlier, okay, these are the disc cams, so I would just say let me use this. Okay, in changing the disc cam, you just pull this lever back to 0 and you unscrew this. Sorry, it's a bit tight. Raise it up, bring it out, then replace the disc cam with another one, and screw back in, hold in place. Now you just pull this back to the 5. Like I told you, I'm using the 5, which is the max size of the zigzag. You can actually reduce it to any number you want to use, but I'll be using 5 for the purpose of this video. So when I stitch down, right, so there you have it for this cam. So I'll just change another one and put it in quickly. All right, I already changed it, so okay, so there you have it, guys. That's another disc cam, another design, and I'll just put one last one. So I already changed it, so just put this back to 5 and so this is it. Okay, these are the back side of the stitch. All right, so guys, I think I've been able to exhaustively work on the machine. Now if you want to sew the buttonhole like I showed you in the video, I have a video actually on my channel about how to use the left and right needle position to sew buttonhole. It's very easy. It's not complex at all. Okay, you can actually go there and get more information about that. But Singer 306K machines, very strong machine, sews different kind of fabric, including the lycra spandex, the stretchy materials, even leather also. So, and I can also use it with your treadle. As you can see in the video, I was actually using my treadle for the machine. And like I always say, it sews the regular straight stitch. So if you don't want to use any of the design, or you just want the regular straight stitch, like I said, you just have to alternate this down to 0 and automatically you're sewing your straight stitch. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.